So, Bharati, you wrote this book, you published a book of yours. What's the
Yeah,
title of it?
recently the book, the title is Covered a Sea.
Yeah.
Covered
Meaning?
a Sea is sunlight, the
Okay.
ray of sunlight. One particular ray which just penetrates your heart or wherever, your mind.
So, it's a work of your collected writings in journalism.
Yeah, it is. In fact, I was in Gomantak, so I had written on edit page some columns. The column name was Covered a Sea.
I see.
So I gave the same title for the book, and it is about it is about life, about experiences, what I've experienced in everyday life, the people I meet.
Yeah. And not too many journalists believe in collating their works or publishing it as a book.
Yeah.
What prompted you into doing it?
No, in fact, what happens as a journalist, what we write on as news or articles, it becomes Raddi the next day. So this is whatever I've written, many people gave me feedback. They liked it. So I thought I'll compile and put it in front of wider readers.
Yeah. In fact, yeah, I think I agree with you because books have a longer shelf life.
Longer
Also.
shelf life.
You've been a journalist for how many years?
Yeah, I started my career from 86.
I see. And can you
1986.
describe what?
I worked for, I started my career in Bombay.
I see.
I was a trainee in some small newspaper, Sri Profit.
Yeah.
That was for 6 months. Then I dropped in Vyapar. It was a commercial weekly.
Business.
Hindi, yeah,
Okay.
Hindi, business. So I did for 10 years, initial 10 years I worked for business.
Okay.
Then after Vyapar, 2 years I was with Vyapar, then Jansatta, the Indian Express thing offered me. I joined Jansatta and I was there for 8 years.
I see.
After that, my editor allowed me to freelance for Reuters.
I see.
I used to 3 years I did that also. Along with Jansatta,
I see.
I freelanced for Reuters. And after that, I left my job after delivery.
I see.
My son was very weak, so I took a gap of 2 years
I see.
break. And that during that gap, we started our own newspaper, myself and my husband.
I see.
We started our
What was
own
it called?
newspaper. It was Rajyavritta, a Marathi
I
daily
see.
from Vasai,
I see.
that Palghar and those
Focusing
that
on
area.
the suburbs.
Suburbs. Yeah,
I see.
it had 3,500 circulation
Every day.
every day,
I see.
and the price was 1 rupee,
I see.
a tabloid size.
I see.
So it
How
was
many pages?
8 pages.
I see.
And the response was good.
I see.
It was in Marathi, and these business people, the traders and all, they used to take the paper. But then what happened, something happened, like we had financial crisis. It's running a
it's
paper,
tough,
it's
it's
very
tough.
difficult. So after 1 year, exactly after 1 year, I closed it.
So in effect, you're saying that you've written in Marathi, in Hindi, and in English also.
Yeah,
All three.
Hindi, I worked for nearly 10 years.
So
in
you're an
Hindi.
all-rounder linguistic.
6-7 years in Marathi, and 5 years, 5.5 with English.
Then you came to Goa and you were with Gomantak.
Yeah, I know. I was initially with Rastraman.
I see.
3 years I was
I
there.
see.
Before it closed.
I see.
It closed on the day it started.
I see. That was in which year?
1st of September. It was in 2004.
It closed in 2004.
It closed in 2004.
And then you joined Gomantak.
Then I joined Gomantak. Meanwhile, I worked for IFFI
I
for a
see.
month.
I see.
First IFFI, when
I see.
Parikar was
I
there.
see.
It was a lovely
I
time.
see.
And then I started with Gomantak.
Yeah.
After Rastraman, Gomantak, 2.5 years there. Now I'm with Herald.
So what have been the high points of your career? What do you enjoy most writing about?
I like writing about people and life and relations. And my beats are health.
I see.
I like health beat, education and health. Or women, child. These kind of things. Social issues,
When
basically.
it comes to women in journalism, their role is seen as different as the man in journalism. So for example, there's not so much hard reporting, quote unquote hard, politics, crime. So do you think it's a kind of a ghettoization of women, or does it suit your interest anyway? Are you happy with?
I hate politics. That's the reason I never took that beat. Yeah, I hate politics and politicians somehow. But I would like to meet people,
Yeah.
talk to them, take interviews, but not that beat.
Yeah.
This is on and off, like interviews and all. Sometimes.
Yeah. When it comes to women and the media, do you
Yeah.
think the media is doing a good job of representing what issues are important to women, or it's too masculine?
It is. No, it is not masculine. I would not say that. So I've been in this
Yeah.
line for so many years and worked in Bombay and this. I've never seen no discrimination, nothing.
No, I'm saying in terms of the issues that we
Issues.
represent.
No, all issues have been taken up. All issues.
But more space could be given to women's issues in that sense. To issues,
People are being aware now. people are being aware and they demand, even they demand these slots for women and all, even in electronic media.
Yeah.
So I think
And also the composition of the media has changed. In the past it was very male dominated.
male dominated. Now see, look at Barkha.
Yeah.
Like she's, her whole
But she is an exception, no? When it comes
she's
to,
an
there is a
exception.
glass ceiling also.
Yeah, but there are Shobha Days also. There are people also. Arundhati is there. Many people are there.
So coming back to your book,
Yeah.
tell us something about the essays it contains. Is it about Goa related essays or India?
No, not as India, I should say. It is about Goa and Mumbai.
I see.
No, the people I met in Goa, in Mumbai, and
For
experiences
example?
I shared.
For example?
Like, maybe Medha Patkar or Prakash Amte. There's some good personalities, some bigger celebrities.
Yeah.
Or even the small people. I met a bar dancer.
Yeah.
And I wrote on, and that piece was liked by people.
I see.
I wrote on some, one beggar. That piece also was. So it is not only about celebrities. It is about any person who meets me, who touches my heart.
What is the difference between journalism in Mumbai and Goa?
There is a
the
lot of
response
difference.
is different. Tell me
Lot
how.
of difference, I should say, because when I came here,
Yeah.
I was feeling it's very small. The world is very small over here. Each person knows the other person.
Yeah.
So it is, a small world. In Bombay, it is a different, wider
You
world,
don't know
and
your
there's a
neighbor.
lot of scope.
Opportunities
There
are
is
vast.
opportunities are
Media
vast.
capital of India and all
Yeah.
that.
And there are issues which you can cover in Bombay. Here there are only limited.
Limited.
Issues.
People are more responsive to what you write in Bombay or in Goa?
Both ways. No, they are. I get a good response. Whatever I write, I get a good response. Maybe because my language, I'm very good in Hindi. I should
see,
say.
I see.
I like Hindi very much,
Really?
and I've done my MA in Hindi.
I see.
And only to learn Hindi, I went to Bombay for 1 year. I
I see.
studied in Ruya College there.
I see.
Yeah.
From
because,
where? Where they are from? You went to Bombay from?
I was in Chogles.
I see.
We didn't have that thing for third year.
I see.
BA.
I see.
So I went there.
You shifted?
I shifted for 1 year and I learned in Ruya College of
I see.
Maduka.
I see.
It was a lovely experience. The people I met there, the people I meet in Bombay. I owe a lot to Bombay. Bombay has, made me whatever
So you like
I am.
Bombay city?
I like Bombay city. I would
It's a
go
tough
back,
city in that.
I would go back to Bombay after I finish, here, few years, maybe 2 years. After 2 years, I'll shift to Bombay.
How is the book doing in that sense? I know it takes time for a book to build up
Yeah.
and visibility and things like that.
But the people who have come for the publication, they all want it. And before that, I had readers. I had
Yeah.
readers in Goa, so they all have read it
I
earlier on the paper.
Yeah.
So they know what it is.
I see.
And the response was good. I don't know how many copies have been sold,
Yeah.
because that thing
It
lies
takes
with that thing lies with the publisher.
Yeah.
What I should tell you one thing, that this book has been the Marathi Academy of Goa. It has given 10,000 rupees for the publication. It was this financial,
author, yeah.
financial assistance.
Grant.
And the publisher Mahesh Angle, he said only within that money we will publish it. Rest I will cover. So he gave me 50 copies,
I see.
and now the rest he is taking,
Very
whatever it is. But this, for a person like me to get, come out with a one book, it was something different.
No, it
I
does
liked
help.
it.
It does help.
Yeah.
What are your future plans from here?
Writing books. My Kokni book, I'm going to give one Kokni book out,
I see.
and one more Marathi, which got a prize.
Fiction, non-fiction?
It is all real.
I see.
I should say reality shows.
What about translations?
Yeah,
There is
I
a-
do translations.
From what to what?
I know 5 languages:
Yeah.
Marathi, Hindi, English, Gujarati,
I see.
and Konkani.
Where did you
I
study
write a
Gujarati?
column. My husband is
I see, I
Gujarati, and I write a column for Sunapran
I see.
every Sunday.
So translations, your strong points are into regional languages or into English or both?
Vice versa.
I see.
Vice versa. All languages. Because in fact, just now the Sangat NGO,
Yeah.
it keeps on sending me things in
I see.
Konkani, Marathi, Hindi, all languages.
Thanks so much and all the best.
Thank
Wishing
you.
All the best.